Alright, we're giving this a go. Let's have a look. Can you see that? Yeah, you can. Alright, load, map 1. Load. Oh my god! Holy mackerel. Okay, what am I looking at here? Oh, okay, I'm over there. Right, okay, don't do that. Holy mackerel. Isn't that sticky? Oh, that one. Oh, righty, I see. Holy sh... Oh! Oh my god. There's a one. I didn't see that. I didn't see that little guy. Alright. Oh, for fudge's sake. Dude, this is sick. Oh, why'd I do that? This is actually sick, man. Okay. Alright. Oh, for fudge's sake. Can I get music? No, I might have to. I have to do this. Holy mackerel! Alright, turn it down. Oh, for fudge's sake, bro. Seriously, it's not in the right spot. Oh fuck! Ah, you put it in the wrong spot. Okay, so I don't need to go that way. Oh, there was for sure gonna be some full spike bull crap there. That'd be good. 'Cause I can't see above it. What? Test this? Am I missing something? Oh. Yes, there we go. That is good. That is genius. That's weird, isn't it? Nicely done. What's that? What is that? I need that. Okay, brilliant. Okay. I've never seen this before. What? Okay. Okay, brilliant. Oh, is that ice? Oh my gosh. Oh, nice. Oh, there's a little shield shooter, bro. Oh, I'm sure you can just skip that. Oh, you little fag. Clutch. Oh, that is so close! Oh, you little mongrel. Brilliant. This is really good platforming. You little faggot, bro. Okay, brilliant. Thanks. This is frustrating to play. Oh my gosh. Okay. Brilliant. Okay. What? I've never seen those. I don't know what they are. Like little floating. Oh, I get it, I think. That's my platforming. Oh! Yeah, brilliant. Okay. Oh, this is gross. Does it have a death counter? It doesn't seem to. I don't see any. Fudge! That is so bad. Okay, brilliant. Oh! That was so close! I wonder how many times it took you to playtest this. You just, I guess you would just set your spawn just anywhere and you would... I doubt you would have done this whole thing like I am. Although it is you. Oh, this is horrible. There needs to be a spawn point here, this is gay! I'm sure you can just do this. Okay, that's horrible. Fudge. Oh, that's bad. That's really bad. Dude, there's no spawn anywhere. I mean, no checkpoint. Ah, you little ripper! Oh, what? I need to go on the back side of it. That's horrible. Dude, how'd you think of this? Okay. How long did this take? 2 hours to make, yeah. Doesn't surprise me. I would have loved to see the development process for this, because this is just really good. Oh, yeah, my God, yeah, my advice for this level is to put another checkpoint after this bit, like down there. That'd be really handy. like the finish is just like right after that bit. So it's debatable. Oh my gosh. I'm only saying it because I'm thinking of There's gotta be an easier way to do that. You little fudge. I'm checking for mine. I'm checking if you put like a mine like right there. Oh, I had a good idea. Really hard. I don't know how long that took you, even with setting your spawn right next to it. Oh, you little fudge. Whoops. My other recommendation is to close this area off here. It sort of is was a little bit confusing for me at the start. But, maybe put a sign there or some text. Right, like hi or enjoy or whatever in lots. That'd be nice. It's a little bit visually jarring when you first open the map. You gotta look ahead to like see which way to go. Which sort of I gotta go ahead. Oh man, that's so hard. That is really hard, that jump. Oh my gosh. If this was in the base game, I could just walk whip through a lot of this. It'd be a lot better. I really like these floating spike blocks. I think they're really cool. I think we should definitely put them in the main game. Okay. definitely thinking new checkpoint there, man. This is gay. It's Christmas. Ah! Well done on this level. What's the name of this level? Oh my gosh. Mageism. Torture. Hell. Okay, maybe double jump. Ah, that's bad. That's a bad jump, man. That should have been easier. I think that jump there is hard enough without the spikes. If you don't have the checkpoint, get rid of the friggin' spike blocks. Fuck! Ooh. You got me to swear, you naughty boy. Oh! I was going good there. That was actually some good saves. Whoops, I don't know why I pressed down. Oh, why am I pressing down like that? Oh, got the triple. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. No! Oh! Far out! Oh! Oh my gosh. Oh, this is pain, this is pain. Oh, you little ripper. Nah, don't change anything. Spending 20 minutes on it. Oh yes, yes, yes. No, 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 no. Oh, you have to think fast. You don't have time to muck around. Yeah. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Ah! Oh, I saved it! Oh, you little... I really do hate you. I'm thinking about this message you sent, like, you're gonna hate this. I am hating this. Okay. Oh, I choked it! 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 Oh, I choked it. Oh, okay. I'm so close. Oh my gosh, I'm so close. Oh, yes, 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 brilliant. Oh, fuck. I don't want to sit here for 30 minutes, man. This is nuts. I want to go to sleep. That is so bad. It's just horrible. I bet there's a trick that I'm just not figuring out. strat I was thinking is. Oh, that might not be possible. You know, at the start I was thinking, oh, I hope I make this entertaining to watch. But now I don't care if you're enjoying it. It's torture for me, so it has to be torture for you. Oh! Brilliant. Fudge! Oh my gosh. This is really pissing me off, man. Oh my gosh. This is really getting to me. Oh my gosh. I can't believe I was waiting all day for this. I can't believe I was waiting all day for this. This is just crap. Oh, for fuck's sake. This is like Celeste level annoying this crap out of me. Oh! This definitely does feel like a Celeste level. Okay. No, that doesn't freaking work. Oh, fudge. Oh. Oh, I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die. I just know it. I just know it from something, bro. Thank God. Thank God for that. Oh my God. Thank God I did it.